In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to gemini.google.com, and then on here, once you're signed into your account, you simply want to ask Gemini, you want to let it know what you want to get. So for me, I'm just going to generate a random business proposal over here, but whatever PDF document you need, basically just describe it as well as you can. After you do this, click on Canvas over here down in the bottom, make sure it's blue, and click on this submit button. Now what this will do, I'm just going to click on got it. What this will do is it will open up this little side note canvas over here at the very right side, and as you can see, it's basically just filling things in. So after that's pretty much done, you're going to see the completed version. You can read it through, and in case you don't like anything or you would like to change something, you can hover over it and just basically ask Gemini to change it, and it will do exactly that. And then once you are ready to actually create a PDF document, click on this share button. And then here, there's no option to create a PDF yet. However, you can click on Export to Docs, and then this will get exported to your Docs. And then inside Google Docs, it will open up. There we go. You want to click on File, top left, and then you can click on Download and click on PDF Document. And therefore, you've successfully generated a PDF document of that exact thing you requested from Gemini. So as you can see, if I open that up, it is a full PDF document you basically generated inside Google Gemini. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.